Want to search on WhatsApp without Meta AI suggestions? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to use the search functionality on WhatsApp without interacting with Meta AI. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and access the search bar first. Open the WhatsApp app on your device and navigate to the chat screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen to begin your search. Step 2. Enter your search query. Now type your search query into the search bar. You can search for messages, photos, videos, links, GIFs, audio, polls, and documents from your chats. Step 3. Browse through search results. WhatsApp will display search results based on your query. You can scroll through the results to find the specific messages or media you're looking for. Step 4. No need to interact with Meta AI. Here's the key step. When using the search functionality on WhatsApp, you don't need to interact with Meta AI. You won't see any AI suggestions or prompts while searching for content within your chats. Step 5. Maintain privacy and encryption. Remember, your personal messages and calls on WhatsApp remain end-to-end encrypted, ensuring your privacy. WhatsApp and Meta cannot see or listen to your conversations. And that's it! You can search on WhatsApp without Meta AI suggestions, ensuring a seamless and private messaging experience. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to search on WhatsApp without Meta AI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.